What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you a Photopea tutorial. Now this is not Photoshop, it's Photopea, the online version of Photoshop. So if you can see here, they have all the options of Photoshop, Photoshop CC mainly, the 2019 version. So you can see here, if you go to the homepage, by the way, Photopea will be the link in the description. So yeah, so if you can see here, you have the homepage. Basic options basically. Now if you press new project, it can open like a white background, pretty basic, but what we want to do is open from computer. That's what we want to click. Now this basically allows you to open files that are on your computer. Now we want to open this image. Whatever this is called, it will be the link in the description, so you can download this and make this project yourself. Okay, so now we want to drop in an image of, you want to not press open, you have to press open in place. Now what this does, you have to open an image of Scary House. Now this will be in the link in the description. So open in place basically allows you to place the image that you're working on in your project that you're also working on. So we want to increase the size to that much, yeah. Or mainly you can increase the size, but it has to look realistic kind of. So you see the Scary House right here, you want to double click it. When you double click it, you will see this page, and this page you find a lot of these options. Now if you see here, this is background. Now background, you move it up, it creates like a scar effect. We want to do that, so we bring up the scar effect. Now basically people don't use it for scar effects, they just use it to like dissolve it mainly. They can use it for like dissolving it like this. That will look pretty cool. So, but we want to add just a little bit of scars. There we go, that might be enough. Then we press OK. It's on the top right corner right here. You press OK. Now our Scary House is starting to look like a bit not cartoonish, because it looked a bit cartoonish last time. So now we want to use this tool. So you go over here, you see opacity, set it to, you can set it to 60 if you need it to, and set it to 60. That will make it look real cool. But we don't want it to be that much light, so you want to take your image, you want to set it back to 100%. Go. Now we move it down here now. Now if I tell you this, now you go over here, see background, you see the background we were using? If it's not locked, then you could move it around, confusing your Scary House image. Now to do that, it will be awful. So go ahead and do this. You see this lock option on the top background? Press that. Now this doesn't allow you to do anything. Like it doesn't allow you to move it. Doesn't allow you to move it. So now we go over here, right? So now we click our Scary House image. Don't confuse it with the background image, because that can be real bad. So now click on your Scary House image, and then you have to press this. So then you go to edit, alright? You see this transform. Press transform and press wrap. Now you can basically like match it with the mountain. That can make it realistic. Now we're not done editing the house. So basically now what we want to do is add some finishing touches. So we press open in place again, drop in an image of a scarecrow. Now this might look terrifying to you. It's almost big as the house. So we want to reduce the size. And just remember, if you want to do this yourself, all of the images will be in the link in the description. Now, place it wherever you want. If you place it like this, it will be on the stone. That will look real unrealistic. So reduce the size, and then boom, that looks awesome. So now we're gonna edit the scarecrow. Now double click it like we did before, and then do this. Background, you gotta get it a little bit. Now this adds scars. And then you press OK, just a little bit, move it up. So yeah, that was it for liked it, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!